All right, what's up, y'all? It's Keenan from Keenan Just Felt Like Cooking on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So I've been sick, and the day I got sick, the day it really kicked in, I got something in the mail, and I got really excited, but I was sick, and I was upset I couldn't use it right away. I'm talking about this Meat Stick X, baby. Yeah, I'm on the team. Yeah, fellas, I'm on the team now. And check this out. Some new technology. I wouldn't say new because it's another product out there, but this is superior right here. When you read it and read up on it and do the comparison, which I saw people do, uh, I got my hands on the superior product. So the very first time I own some technology like this. So you're gonna watch my first time usage of it. You're gonna watch me grow with it. You're gonna watch me use it, and you're gonna watch me use it in a variety of ways that it can be used. All right. So be sure to check me out. YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Keenan Just Felt Like Cooking. Breaking in my meat stick X, baby.